bass track starts at the 7th fret on the E string here, a B note. And we go to the 5th fret, an A note. To the 3rd fret. To the 2nd fret. Sliding up to the 9th fret. And then the 7th again. So here we go. And then the melody is at the 12th fret on the B string here. We go 12, and then we pick the 10th fret, and then slide up to the 12th. And then I pick it again lightly, and take it to the 7th fret on B. And play it twice when you get there. And then I slide this ring finger from the 8th fret to the 10th fret real quick. You play that twice. And then we're going to go to the 7th fret on B and do a slide up to the 10th fret and then take it to the 5th. So it's... And we pick that once. So that part is... And in total now we have 12... Try that again. And now we're going to go from the 7th fret to the 9th fret on the D string, a slide with this finger here. And then 7, 9 on G. And then 7 on the B string. So it's... When you get here, we're going to pick this again, do a slide between 7 and 10 and back to 7. And then we're going to slide from the 10th fret up to the 14th fret and play it twice when we get there. Play the 12th fret once. So in total now we have... And once you get to this 12th fret here, we're going to do a 14, 11 pull off on the G, so it's like... And a hammer on again, so 14, 11, 14. And then the middle finger is going to go to the 12th fret of D. And the pinky is going to hammer on to the 14th like this. So, and then 11 on G, 12 on D, and 14 on that A string. So that part is... Now with that rhythm track in the background,